Welcome to Rhythm Rider, a game that helps you train your precision and endurance. The goal of Rhythm Rider is to help the Mobot band hit all of the notes to put on an awesome concert for the crowd. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. You control the up and down position of the guitar pick. When you bend up, the pick will move up. When you flex down, the pick will move down. Press Next. First, you can choose which music genre you want to play. We have 5 to choose from: rock, jazz, disco, country, and classical. Press which genre you want to play to continue. Press Next. Next, choose which of the 5 songs in that genre you would like to play by pressing on its title. Press Next. Then you'll select the difficulty for the song you would like to play. When you first start out, you will only have the easy difficulty available. Press Next. Now you'll move the pick to hit the notes as they come across the screen by bending your wrist up and down. Press Next. The more notes you can hit in a row without missing any, the more points you'll get. You can see how many notes you have hit in a row and how great of a point multiplier you have with the streak meter. Press Next. By performing well on a song and getting 4 or more stars, you can unlock more advanced versions of that song. The advanced versions make the game more difficult by giving you faster, smaller notes to hit. Press Next. If you miss a note, you'll hear the band make a mistake and take a second to get back in the rhythm. You will also lose your streak and points multiplier. Press Next. Once you finish a song, you will see a report for how you played. You'll see how many stars your performance was rated and how many points you earned. You'll also be given the option to keep playing the same song with the Continue button, or select a different song to play next with the Change Song button on the right of the screen. Press whichever you would like to do next. Press Next. Mobot band concerts can be very exciting, but if all the movement is too distracting, then you can keep the screen more stable with the Lock Camera button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Press Next. Your progress at earning stars and unlocking higher difficulties will be saved between games. So keep rocking with the Mobot band to get 5 stars on every song and difficulty. Good luck and rock on!